Hello YouTube, Ollie the repair noob is here again. In this repair vlog, I'll be replacing the battery of this Redmi 4A. The initial symptom is stuck at logo and shut down when connected to charger. When I open this off camera, I realized the battery is bloated. I'll be replacing the battery. The first step is to remove the SIM tray. That's it. Then remove the back cover. Finally, the cover is off. Let me unscrew the top part of the phone. Try to take off the cover. Top cover removed. Let me disconnect the battery now. Done. The next part will be removing the bottom screws to release the speaker, so I can use the adhesive tab. Remove the speaker, antenna assembly. Check any screw removed properly. All screws removed. Finally, I managed to remove the speaker. Time for me to pull the pull tabs. Do it carefully. Snap the pull tab. This sucks. I'll try again. Damn. The pull tabs are broken. Oh, I can access the pull tabs. Using the tweezers. Unfortunately, I couldn't pry, so I couldn't take a pull tab, so I will try to pry the battery. This part. Finally, I rip out the battery. That sucks. Remove the remaining adhesive. Why not? Let's test with another battery. I mean the new battery. Turn on the phone. Appears about to turn on. I'll plug in the charger. Power up. Seems does not recognize the battery. Looks like it's not reseated correctly. I'll try again. Now it's seated correctly, so try turning on. Power on. Just testing only, so I'll be bypassing FRP and factory reset off camera. Unfortunately, this is stuck at the logo right now, as you can see. I'll be reassembling the phone. Let me install new tape or adhesive. This seems to be not the best match, but let me try to modify the adhesive to install. My pair of scissors. Cut the length. Cut into cut. Installing the adhesive one side, the another side as well. Peel it off. I'll install the battery by connecting the battery back into place. Now turn on the phone to check. Indeed, it works. Put the battery back in place. Oops. Make sure the battery is connected first. Test again. Okay, I can hear the vibrate. Make sure the battery go back in place. seal it back in place. Stuck a logo. Still, I disconnect and reconnect the battery. Now, time to reinstall the speaker. Sorry, it is dark now. By the way, I need to install the gasket back on the camera. Reinstall the screws. Finally close up the cover. I'll be refreshing this off camera. I finally managed to refresh the device and bypass FRP. It was complicated to refresh the device as I ran into errors and I had to put it to 9008 mode manually by dismantling the device and shorting some points while connecting the USB cable. I had to disconnect the battery. And also, I had to bypass FRP as it's Google locked. I really hope that you enjoy my vlog. Please like, share and comment on my video, and also please subscribe to my channel. Please donate. The link to donate is in the description below, and hope to see you in the next video.